Okay, first quarter, on the way po tayo yun. First quarter between Airport United and Contact Center. Ay, in-flights. Contact Center, in-flights pala, sorry. Contact Center, in-flights po. Contact Center playing the dark or maroon. In-flights po is playing the white. Ayan po sila ngayon. Tunakaw yung company yan. Yan yung tipong ano, si Pilaw nandyan din. Eh si Manapat nandyan din. Wala yung kanilang si Maliwat. Pero nandyan naman si Hilwa. At nagdala sa isang matangkad din. Si number 6. Yan si Gurubi. Gurubi? Okay, Gurubi naman po. Gurubi nga, Gurubi. Okay, Gurubi versus Tunakaw. Nakakuha ni Hilwa. Mercado. 2 points Mercado. Mercado, 2 points. Now, kay number 25. Flores. Pilaw for 3. No good. Tunakaw, ayun. Nadukutan. Nice one. That's number 14 si Oronce. Mercado. Hilwa. Mercado again. Mercado. Malayang pasa. Same ball. Same ball tayo. Same ball. Pilaw. Binabantayan. Number 25. Kick pass kay Mr. Gurubi. 2 points Gurubi. Side step move by Gurubi. Nagdala rin sa matangkad din para si Mr. Philip ngayon na kayang kupunan. Tunakaw for 3. No good. And rebound by number 27. Now to Mr. Ariola. 2 points Ariola. Manapat 25. That rebound. Going pass to Ariola. 2 points po yan. And now to Mr. Pilaw, difficult shot, no good. Nakuha ni Flores, nice D. Pilaw again, Pilaw, palpal. Hilwa, no good. Ariola, Hilwa, no good still, same ball. 8 minutes remaining. First quarter action. No good. Balik pinasahan. Tunakaw nagmamadali. Tunakaw. 2 points Tunakaw. 2 points. Nice D. Manapat, 2 points again. The score is 4-8 po. 4-8 ang score. 25. That's Flores. Tunakaw to Flores again. Flores for 3. No good. Flores sa rebound. Flores. Malakas. Manapat. Mercado. Ariola. 2 points Ariola. Medyo undermanned ngayon ng in-flights ha. Pilaw. 2 points Pilaw. Mercado. Nike Hilwa. 2 points Hilwa. Idol, nasa pata. Tanggap kami na pala yung bayan. Ha? Boss na. Mama na, abang kita. Ha? Tulugan na lang kita. Pilaw. Flores for 3. No good. And 2. Foul red number 14. That's sino pong player po yan. Pakitas po ang kamay. That's Oronce. Oronce called for the foul. Number 14. And Gurubi, first shot. Kapos. Gurubi, second shot. Jumpers ready. Roy, good evening, Sir Roy. Sir Roy, good evening, sir. Okay, Gurubi, second throw. Pasok. 6:13 na score po natin yon. 6:13 and 6 minutes remaining na sa ating first quarter action. And now to Flores. Flores. Bakiano, no good. Ayun, si Tanaka, wala pa rin. Nice rebound by Hilwa. Hirwa. Ariola, binomba, wala. Bakiano called for the foul for sure. Aray. Bakiano nga called for the foul. Ariola shooting for 2. Ariola shooting for 2. First shot Ariola. No good. Pilaw, nagmamadali. Pilaw. Palpal. Matangkad masyado. Si Gurubi para kay Pilaw. Ariola, Hirwa. Nakuha, Mercado, no good. Ayun si Ariola, 2 points. Ariola, 2 points. Flores. Pilaw for 3. No good, malakas. Flores, mata rebound. Balik pinasahan. Mercado, Manapat. No good. And nakon Mercado bola. Manapat again. 2 points Manapat. And change 5 po tayo yun. Change 5 tayo. Okay, Roy will be now seeing action like now. Medyo underman po ngayon ang team in flights, pero we'll see kung ano magagawa po ng team ng contact center. Okay, back to the ball game. Same team except kay Mr. Philip. Sa kabila naman ay yan po si Riculman, si Roy, si number 14, si number 24, si Pilaw at si Villaruiz. Villaruiz. And to Riculman for 3. No good. Roy, no good. Philip. 6-7 na score. 11 pa kalamangan po ng team in flights. Malapat for 3. Malakas. Rebound by Roy. Roy to Villaruiz. Malakas ang pasa to Pilaw. Malakas ang pasa kay Pilaw. Balik muli po sa home. Biso. Manapat. And 2-5. Hirwa. Nice step from behind. From Riculman, wala pinasahan. Roy. And balik muli po sa impress ang bola. Mas underman po ang team in flights. Maybe let's see if contact can capitalize po sa situation po right now. Pops up for 3. Kapos. Hirwa naka-rebound. Head na to Mercado. Bothered and one play. Mercado bonus free throw. Ingat, boss. No good. Foul again. The score is 6-19, a 13-point lead being posted already by Team In Flights. Gurubi shooting for 2. Gurubi. First shot. Pasok. Gurubi, second throw. Jumpers ready. Roy to Belarus. Pilaw for 3. Malayo. Off the glass. And to nakuha ni Mercado kay Philip. Nando Sirwa. 2 points Sirwa. Rekelman. Tapos. Sirwa. Philip. Bothered. And nakuha ni Roy ang bola. Roy. Malakas ang pasa ni Roy kay Pilaw. Hirwa. 5. Pops up. And one play na naman. Mercado on the roll po tayo ngayon si Mercado. And timeout called by Team Contact Center. Because you are good. Okay, balik po tayo para kay Mercado. Mercado shooting for bonus free throw. Mercado bonus free throw coming up para kay Mercado. Mercado first shot. Wala. And not to Belarus. To Rekelman for 3. Bang! Rekelman 3 points. Still a 15-point lead advantage po para sa Team In Flight. And still completed by Rekelman pero fouled by Philip. Tignan natin kung yung fatigue factor magpapasok dito para sa In-Flights. 5-6 lang sila.
Martin, thank you po.
Thank you. Yes, sir. Ingat po sa idol. Yung league na lang, mamaya ah. Roy, malakas. And to Gurubi. Malakasin. And, naku. Balik, ingat. Mercado. Foul! Ouch. Mercado shooting for 2. Mercado pops up. Pasok. 1 second remaining. Mercado, second throw, jumpers ready. No good. And one play. Basket made. Confirmed. Okay, after first quarter action, the score is 9-27. Laman po ang team in flights. This link will be published later. Magantay-antay lang po kayo. Maraming salamat po. Grube again, shooting for the end one free throw. 9 minutes, 18 seconds remaining. Number 6, Grube. No good! Ano ba yan? Okay, still a 9:29 at 20-point lead advantage for in flights. Flores. Bacchiano. 2 points Bacchiano. Mercado. Grube. Binabantayan. Mercado driving strong. Palpal. Nice D. Bacchiano, palpal din. Counter block by Grube. Ariola, no good. Roy almost had the ball. Siniguro na naman ang Ginebra. Panalo dapat sila din pero rebound. Misarap yung rebound ng Ginebra. Ariola, no good. And Oronce, help ball situation. Whose ball rep? Same ball as per the referees. Next hand ball situation will be for contact center. Grube. Mercado, malakas ang pasa kay Grube. Balik mo po sa contact center pang bola. Head no Flores, ayan na, pops up. Bang! Nice shot by number 10 ng contact center. 13-29. The question now for in front is the fatigue setting in. Hirwa. Naipit. Oh, traveling violation called. The question right now is this. Is the fatigue now is setting in for in-flights because underman sila. Or contact center can capitalize the situation right now. Bacchiano. Okay, same ball yan. Same ball. And timeout also called by contact center. $13-20 score for a 16-point lead now being posted still by in-flights. Malakas. One more time, Roy. Nakuha. And 2 points. Nice one, Meronse. Gurubi. Mercado, wala. And foul called. Again, Mercado will shoot for 2. 14 na lang po yan po para sa in-flights ang kalamangan nila. Is and now to Gurubi. Grabe ng collection call kay Gurubi. Traveling relation code. Now Flores again. The situation right now, in-flights po, medyo underman sila. Isa na po pamalit na. And also, sa contest, medyo marami-rami sila. Pero, the problem is the fatigue factor is set in for in-flights. Or, hop! Out! Mahaba pa rin to, tansya ko. Third quarter, we'll see if they can rally. Gurubi! 2 points. Nice shot by Gurubi. Ito Flores again, Flores, nagmamali si Flores. Tunakaw. White ball. Ariola, 2 points. Up, change 5. We're still on the second quarter action. The score is 15-33. Lumalamang na naman muli po ang in-flights. Kanina ibaba na nila yan. Pilao. Belarus. Pilao. Malakas. Nako ni Miranda ang bola. Ariola. 2 points Ariola. Belarus. Pilao. High looper shot. Mercado. Dictating the traffic. Gurubi again. Palpal. Swatted. Malakas ang pasa na naman. Again, to 5. Mercado. Ariola. For 3. No good. And Riquelman. Pilao is Mercado. Pilao. Wala. Dilawa ang bola. Mercado. Hinabri Pilao. Mercado. And now, nakuha po ni Gurubi ang bola. Gurubi, pop. Wala. And nakuha ng rebound battle. And now to Hirwa. Palpal. May foul. The foul number 7 for Roy. Hirwa shooting for 2 at 3 minutes 3 remaining. Second quarter action. Hirwa, first shot. Pasok. 21-point lead already been posted by Team In-Flights. Hirwa, second throw, jumpers ready. No good. And And nakuha ni Giro ang bola. Tap! Foul. Side throw po tayo. Side throw. Itim po sir, itim. Side throw, Philip. To Ariola again. Ariola, may tayo ng bola. Ariola! Wala. Hop! Foul! Pushing foul po by the referee. 0-0 ko for a push. And again, side back throw po tayo para sa in-flights. Mercado by 2 points. Mercado. Difficult shot made by Mercado. Hilaw. Pops up. Malakas. 2 minutes 17 you mean. Ariola. 2 points Ariola. Nice block. Nice steal. Reckelman. Tapos. Barredo. And one play. And one play sana. Pero kay Barredo, 2 points. Barredo shooting for 2. Barredo shooting for 2. Barredo per shot. Barredo first throw. It's out. Second throw, jumpers ready. Pops up, pasok. 16-14, a 26-point lead. No, a 14. 24-point lead po tayo para sa in-flights. Mercado. 5. Tapos. Pilaw. 2 points, Pilaw. 2 points, Pilaw. Ariola is Pilaw. Nakalusot. Girwa. Malakas. Gurubi. 2 points, Gurubi. Okay, Roy, 2 points. 20-42 and Ariola 2 points, 24 again. 24-point lead po para sa team in flights. Pilaw, 2 points Pilaw. 5. Mercado. Okay, that's it. Third quarter coming up. You are watching another game between In-Flights and Contact Center. This game is brought to you by the following: SBB Pilipinas and PSBQ, Team LBC Harin pala ang Threaded Needles, and this is your third season. Third season po tayo ng Aviation Friendly Doubles of Flying League. Okay, third quarter action. Medyo underman po ngayon ang Implights, pero we'll see if they Contact City can capitalize or Implights can sustain the lead. Two points here, one. Flores. Pops up. Tapos. Hirwa. Ay, kick pass kay Mercado. Mercado. 2 points, Mercado. Pops up. Malakas. Hey! White ball. White ball. Hirwato Mercado. Pops up. Malakas. Tarantes. Nako. Rebound battle won by Implights. Ariola. Nagbanitan ng bola. Ariola. Hirwa. Nakuha ni. Hop. Same ball. Same ball. Same ball. Sabi ng referee, same ball. Number 25. Mercado. Malakas. Good ball. Okay. Black. Red ball. Red ball. Number 10. Malakas. And Hirwa naka-rebound. Ariola. Napagod din yung kanto. Kaya punta natin. Kaya mag-capitalize po ngayon. .30-point lead being posted by Team Implights. 22-52. Bacchiano. Barretos. No good. Tunakaw. No good. Rebound battle one by Hirwa. Ayun si Ariola bothered. Nakuha. Still completed. Okay, still completed ng Flores. Pagod na. Flores. Sidestepping move. Pops up. No good. And to Ariola again. 2 points Ariola. And timeout muna po ang Implights. Nabusan na ng hangin. Okay, back to the ball game. Bola po ng contact center. Pilao. To Roy. Roy to Pilao. For 3. No good. Rebound. Dronce shooting for 2. Baskets made. Bronze second shot. No good. Rebound battle won by Contact Center. Pilau. No good. Rebound ni Roy. Roy. Malakas. And to Mercado. 2 points. Mercado. Mercado 2 points. Tunakaw. Pilau. Pilau pops up. No good. Roy naka-rebound. Roy 2 points. Roy. Hirwa. Mercado. Mercado 2 points again. Mercado 2 points. Dronce, no good. And Mercado again, Mercado. Hirwa. Malakas. Binadumpa kasi. Pilau. For 3. No good. Rebound battle won by Philip. Philip, Philip. Same ball. Okay, red ball, red ball. Red ball, red ball. Contact center ball. Contact center ball to Nakaw. And now to Roy. To Nakaw again. And now number 14, Dronce. Dronce, nag-iisip. Ito si niya, ayaw niya. And nag-drive na siya. Driving. No good. One more time. And now, bako ni Roy yung bola. Roy. Roy. No good seal. Gurubi. Philip. No good. Gurubi again. Gurubi. Two. No good seal. Dapat yung setting nyo ready. Tunakaw. 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 Roy. 2 points, Roy. 27-50. 27-58 rara. 31 point lead po rin po ang nakumuli. Pilau. 2 points, Pilau. Tao. And now Mercado. Mercado, quick pass kay Hirwa. Hirwa for 3. Malakas. Pilayo. Timeout called by Contact Center. Okay, number 0. White ball. Last touch si Roy. Mercado, driving, popping. Ano nga rin? 6 nga. Ball stolen almost. Okay, maging bank ball si Manapat. To Philip. Ariola, pinagpapahinga muna. Gurubi. To Manapat for 3. Malakas. And now to Mr. Gilman. Now, baseball pass kay Hirwa. Kay Pilaurado, wala, hindi nasalo. Balik muli po sa bola po ng team. Alam mo yan, team fights. Manapat, pops up. No good. Roy attacking. Roy! Nako! Hellball situation. Same ball. Same ball. Same ball. Ito na. Pilay! Galing sa labas. Out of bounds. Regalman for 3. No good. Rebound by Gurubi. Hirwa nagmamadali. Hirwa. Foul! Foul number 15. Hirwa shooting for 2. First shot. Wala. Second throw. Jumper's ready. It's out. 33 seconds remaining. Belarus. Pops up. No good. Rebound by Gurubi. Mercado. Ariola pinagpapahinga para yan dahil sa fourth quarter action. 5. Hirwa. Roy naka-rebound. Wala na. Hindi nila capitalization. Okay, final 10 minutes coming up. The score is 29-15. A 49-point lead. A 29-point lead rather. Para sa team in flights. Chance na to capitalize also. Check. Mercado. Gurubi. Ariola almost had it. Ariola shooting for 2. No good. Ariola second throw jumpers ready. Pops up. Wala. Roy naka-rebound. Pilau. No good. Roy naka-rebound. No foul. Roy still no good. Ariola, 2 points Ariola. 9 minutes 11. 9 minutes remaining. Pilao. Difficult shot. Nagbabalik sa matangkad. Mercado. Hirua. Wala pinasahan. Roy. To Pilao. Roy. 2 points Roy. Kaya pa yan. Habol pa yan. 29 points lang yan, no? Good ball. Manapat 2 points. 31 points again, nakalabangan ng in-flights. Hirua. Mercado off the glass, no good. Pilao stripped away. Same ball. Hindi nakapitalize ng ng contact center yung yung pagiging andamandang game. Okay, symbol po tayo. Barredo. Pops up. Barredo for 3. No good. Roy. 2 points, Roy. 30 again, 29 points din naman. Gurubu. Points, Soronce. Five seconds violation. Good. Stolen. Restolen. Down. Pilao. Dinakdak ang bola. And one play. Dunk the ball. Ha? Offensive foul call, sorry. Offensive foul. Pilao, pero basket good. Nakagod si Pilao. Ariola, no good. Again, chance again. Pass break. Barredo, malakas. Tunakaw. Offensive foul. Offensive foul. Hinawi. Nanghawi. 5 minutes remaining. Pops up. No good. Baredo, malakas. Ariola, malakas. Bacchiano, Roy, Baredo, running shot, no good. Tunakaw. For 3, no good. Nakunig ko Gurubi ang bola. Gurubi. Napak Ariola. 2 points. 4 minutes remaining. 27 points po Kalamangan. Roy. Malakas. Ariola, tapos. Out of bounds. Timeout. Called by Contact Center. Flores. Naku, niliwa pa. 3 minutes remaining. Egelman, 3 points, 2 points. 2 points only, long 2. 2 minutes 48 remaining. Ganda yung sa Gurubi. Gurub, nakawala. Gurub. Wala. And Hirwa. Wala pa rin. Flores. Belarus. 2 points Belarus. 2 minutes 20 remaining. Gurub. 2 points Gurub. No good. Leo Hirwa. A minute and 48 remaining. Wala na, ano ito? Ang paso na ito. 25 point lead. Ang Kalamangan po ng ano. Last touch in flight. Baredo, pops up. Malakas. Tap na tumanapat. Manapat. Nagbababa ng bola. Pops up. No good. Oronce. 2 points Oronce. Belarus. 3 points. 20 points na ng Kalamangan. Foul. 50 seconds remaining. Mercado. Group. Nawala ang bola. Foul! Group. Dana. 20 seconds. Oronce, 2 points. Okay, that's it, I believe so. Okay, that's it. That concludes the game. And congratulations for winning the game, Team In-Flight. Team In-Flight for winning the game. Nice game. Okay, calling In-Flight, sir. Para no? Sir Mercado? Picture. Picture. Maganda rito, pero walang internet. Gusto mo ito pa yun?
Let's go.
Nice game, sir. Nice game, sir. Nice game. Okay. Ito, family picture. Okay. Okay, congratulations for Impress for winning the ball game. The score is 48-66. A dominating game by Team In-Flights. Who's player? POG? Ariola! Hey, let's go for Hirwa, pare. Hirwa. Pwede Hirwa. Pwede yun. Ariora lang. Ariora, congratulations. Sisikat ka muli sa akin. Bagong takpan. Okay, thank you po.
Here, 1, 2, 3 strikes. Okay?
Okay, Ariola, congratulations, sir. Sige po, i-background natin yung mga teammates mo. Okay, Ariola, congratulations, sir. Kahit kung lang po kayo, sir, pero nagawin niyo po ng kanilang paraan po yung laro niyo po ngayon. Kahit kulang kayo, napansin ko. Na-dominate yung lahat po ng boards and also points din po talaga na naalin ko lahat.
Pumasok kasi lahat ng mga tira eh. Wala akong isa pa lang. Point din.
Pero paano nyo na-compensate yung kulang kayo? Almost isa lang ang pamalit ninyo.
As much as possible, isin muna kami mula umpisa eh. Easy lang na nagpapagod na.
Dinominate kinala yung liga talaga yung mga
Ranahan na para sa amin yung dito. Momentum.
Okay, tama yun. Okay, sir, ilang laro na sa In-Flights?
Meron pa kami isang laro before.
Okay. Kung kayo po, alam ko siya nakapasok sa college. Sino sumakalaban sa quarterfinals kung kayo makakapamili?
Quarterfinals,
Kapasok sa quarterfinals eh.
as much as possible, yung ano sana, yung
Kayanin nyo. Huwag yan sabihin team,
yung sana kakayanin para kahit pa paano umabot kami ng finals.
Okay, give 1 minute to shoutout, sir. Sige po, shoutout, sir. Miss Ariola.
Shoutout kanina sa mga naglaro, mga tropa Airport United.
Okay,
Panalo,
AU.
Congrats
Okay.
sa laro nyo.
Okay.
Kita-kits tayo sa quarterfinals.
Okay, then?
Shoutout sa mga tropa na lumilipad dyan.
Okay.
Sa mga hindi nakalaro, safe flight. And then mga mahal ko sa buhay sa Pilipinas, shoutout sa inyo. Lagi kayo mag-ingat. Parents, lahat sa pamilya. Ingat kayo palagi.
Oh, may 15 seconds ka pa. Loved ones mo.
Salamat. Ito panalo na to. Sa Lord.
Okay, yan po. Okay, that's Team In-Flights for winning the game. A dominating performance for Team In-Flights. Kaway na lang kayo, sir. Kaway. With you pa, maraming salamat pa. And see you again about tuning for tomorrow po for another basketball action. Same time, same place, same channel. Thank you po and good night.